English speech, welcome back to school after winter vacations. Good morning, everyone. After a chilled winter break, you all are here back to school. I hope you all had enjoyed quality time with your friends and families. It can be imagined how a student can enjoy in his off days by watching TV, doing art, playing indoor games, and visiting relatives. You also would have spent your winter break involving in such activities. Now, after passing a good time, we all are standing here on the peak of our academic year. We have been reading our academic books, writing our assignments, and learning the new things the whole year. It's the time for us to be tested about our gained knowledge. Yes, I'm talking about the upcoming exams. So before joining our classrooms back, let's set some goals and plans before us and make some following resolutions to shine our result. Working diligently, clearing vague concepts, exploring innovativeness, taking care of physical and mental health. Remember, a good beginning always creates a good end, and a good end definitely is a hallmark of success. By acting upon these plans, let's make our community proud. Welcome again back to school.